Today we'll listen to a short story called The Whispers of the Jungle, presented by Adams Academia. The jungle hummed with secrets as night fell, wrapping Arjun's wooden cabin in a cloak of shadows. He had chosen this solitude, a week alone in the heart of the Sundarbans, far from the noise of the city. But tonight felt different. The air was thick, almost heavy, as if the trees themselves were holding their breath. Arjun lit an oil lamp, its flickering glow casting long, trembling shapes on the walls. Outside, the chorus of crickets and frogs had gone silent. Only the occasional hoot of an owl pierced the stillness. He settled into a creaky chair, book in hand, but his eyes kept darting to the window. Moonlight filtered through the dense canopy, turning the leaves silver. Then came a sound, a soft, rhythmic tap-tap on the roof. Rain? But the sky had been clear moments ago. He stood, heart quickening, and peered through the glass. Nothing, just the endless maze of trees swaying gently. The tapping grew louder, sharper. Not rain, he realized. Something was moving on the roof. Branches? No, there were no trees close enough. His throat tightened as he grabbed a flashlight and stepped onto the porch. The beam sliced through the darkness, revealing nothing. Back inside, he barred the door. The cabin groaned as wind hissed through cracks. Then a new sound, a low, guttural growl far too close. Arjun froze. The oil lamp trembled in his hand, shadows dancing like phantoms. Hours crawled by. The growls faded, replaced by an eerie calm. Dawn's first light crept in, painting the jungle gold. Exhausted, Arjun stepped outside. There, in the mud near the porch, were paw prints, large clawed, leading deep into the forest. He never found what visited him that night, but the jungle kept its secret, serene once more, as if the darkness had never stirred. Thanks for listening to this story. We'll be back soon with a new one. Until then, bye.